Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can disable the download and install of Windows updates if they are bringing error to your machine. If they're always failing to install or failing to download, you can disable that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Windows plus R, then go to gpedit.msc. This is just the policy editor. You're going to go to administrative templates. Once you click on administrative templates, then go to Windows components, then scroll down until you find Windows update. So once you're in Windows updates, you're going to configure automatic updates. Double click on that, then click on disabled if you don't want automatic updates. So once you click on disabled, you can not edit this because there won't be any being downloaded. So you're going to click on apply. Okay. You also need to restart your machine so that these changes can take effect. See you in the next one.